Some free time.
Hey, yo.
Oh, shoot, bro. What's up?
What's up?
Oh, what's up?
So, didn't want to bother you, but
Oh,
here to apply for the job. Is that a
Is
good
that application?
Yeah, is that a good application or is it so okay?
I can work with it. Is it cool?
It's cool. It's cool.
Next time, try to have like an actual application.
Oh yeah, totally. That's
All
nice
right.
enough.
So, any question?
Yeah, what's welding?
It's a process for two metals. You combine them into one object using friction or heat.
Oh, cool. So, is there like, do we need anything for it? Like,
Yeah, you need to have strength. I need to make sure.
bro, got that covered. What you talking
I
about?
can tell, bro. Damn.
Damn, bro.
Alright.
So when do I start?
I don't know. Let's go.
Right now?
Yeah, let's go.
Hey, wait.
Yeah,
Why do we weld though?
We weld is a daily part of everybody's life. We're gonna be welding chairs, tables, planes, cars. You're technically gonna be helping out the community, however.
Yeah, for sure. Alright,